Hey crafty friends, it's Alyssa with Crafting to Cope, and I'm on today with an Echo Park mystery box. So I got a text message that there was a Santa box from Echo Park and a mystery box, and so I wanted to grab it. I was hoping that it would all be Christmas, but let's see what's inside. So I did open it a little bit. So it is jam-packed full of goodies in here. So let's see what it comes with. So I did check before I recorded this video, and the box is still available if you're interested in the box. So let's go through and see what it came with. So the first thing I see are some frames and tags, and these are Christmas Joy collection. So it comes with all these goodies here. And a lot of these things I can just kind of mix with other things. So the colors usually kind of coordinate with other collections. So I like those. It's cute. And I can see already that it does have some non-Christmas things in here, which may be okay. We'll see. So this is called Our Happy Place by Echo Park Frames and Tags. And so it looks like maybe like family and home type things. So maybe this would be good for like an album. I don't know if I would craft with it, but maybe if I made an album and it comes with other stuff, we'll see. And then there is this Frames and Tags, which is Cartabella Season's Greetings. And I can already tell that I will love this because it has like a total vintage vibe. Like there's like a vintage Santa, rocking horse. Obviously, this snowman has a total vintage look. I love vintage Christmas, so I love this. And again, this is more, these ones are kind of more different shades of green and red, and this is more standard Christmas colors, so I definitely will be able to use that. And then it looks like we got the puffy stickers for the Happy Place collection, so matches the frames and tags, which is okay. I do like these little banners down here. So these are cute puffy stickers. Again, I was kind of hoping for all Christmas, but that's okay. This is from the Nutcracker collection. I don't have any of these collections so far, but this is cute. These are just puffy stickers. And again, like the colors on this totally match the colors on that. So I could probably use those together. So I like those. And then I have adhesive brads. I really like these. Like, look at that one. It's so cute with the little bow. And then holly. And then it has like the pearls and the gemmies. And then these really cute kind of puffy stickers, like almost like not puffy, like chipboard stickers down here. So those are cute. And then this is from Vintage Christmas. I don't have this collection. It's Cartabella. I should look and see if it's still available because I love Vintage Christmas. But again, the pearls, the brads, I love this. I love this little lamppost. This is super cute. Let's see. Once Upon a Time. I don't know. Some of these I could use for Christmas, like the colors here, but I don't know what this collection is. It kind of looks like Robin Hood. I don't know. Once Upon a Time. I would probably use some of these ones for Christmas, and I don't know what I would use those for, but all right. Then I am not upset about this at all. The last Echo Park mystery box that I got, I did get some like frames and tags, I think, and some chipboard stickers for Wizard of Oz. And I'm going to open this. And I did go and see Wizard of Oz at the Sphere in Las Vegas, and I did take pictures. So I am not upset about this at all because I can use this and make like a little journal of my Wizard of Oz pictures. The other thing too is I really want a Wizard of Oz. There is a Golden Book Wizard of Oz, but it's old, and everywhere I see it, it costs like an arm and a leg, and I don't want to pay that much for it. But if I ever see it in the wild and it's reasonably priced, I would totally buy it, and it would be fun to make a journal out of a little Golden Book Wizard of Oz. So this paper is cute. So that's the whole gang. And then we have Emerald City. These cute cut aparts. Green stripes, and then little Dorothy's with her Toto in her basket. What is this? Little, I don't know what that is. I think maybe it says Oz. Little blue Oz, and then the little Wicked Witch of the West hats. And then like a picnic basket lining, and then these cut aparts, which this is going to be perfect for my pictures. And then blue slippers. And then what is this? Oh, it's the Story of Oz. So all these papers. That's going to be fun. Yeah, I don't mind this at all. I've actually thought about going and looking at the Oz paper, and I've never done that. So I got that one. And then I got Chillin' with My Snowmies. So this looks like it is snowmen. And I really do love, I wanted all Christmas, but it's okay. I do love double-sided 6x6 paper pads for when I do all of my things for Christmas for my craft fair, like my hot cocoa packs, my tea favors, all the things. I love to just use these because I use the cut aparts. Usually they have, oh, I love this one with the blue. I use like the smaller cut aparts sometimes for the decor on the front of these ones. For the decor on the front of my hot cocoa packets. So this is really cute paper. Little mittens, snowflakes, little Christmas village, little penguins. Yeah, this is cute. So it's like penguins and snowmen, and it repeats. So I like that one. And then it looks like we got the sticker book for Happy Place. So it matches the puffy stickers and the frames and tags. And then it comes with all of these stickers. And then I think you get 2 sheets of each. If I remember, their sticker books work that way. So it comes with like sentiments, alphas, borders, and then all these stickers. So, and then I did get the sticker book for the Nutcracker. So let's take a peek at this one. Oops, sorry. So these stickers will match like this kind of stuff, like with the darker colors. So those are cute. I love this tree. It's kind of vintage looking. And like a wreath. Yeah, these are cute. So they're Nutcracker theme. That's a cute clock. Yeah, these will be fun. I love that. And then there's like some sentiments, which these are fun to use in like when you make little embellishments. And then some alphas, some borders. I like that one with the nutcrackers. And then it repeats. So that's Christmas too. And then this is from the Happy Holidays collection. I do like this because it has like some teal and blues mixed in, which is different. So it's these chipboard accents, which I do love the chipboard. I like the Santa in the car. So another Christmas. And then this is Cartabella, and it's Happy Christmas. And so these are frames. And so there are a lot of pieces. So like this breaks out, then there's this frame, and then this frame. So all of this can be used. Everything you see here we can use. So I do like that. And these are chipboard too, which is fun. And then this is White Christmas by Cartabella. And I like this one too. So this kind of has more of the standard red and green with some blue mixed in. But these are cute chipboard pieces. I love this big Merry Christmas. So those will be fun. So there is a lot of Christmas in here, but it looks like there's other stuff too. So I hope there's some Christmas paper. Chipboard phrases, and this is Christmas Time by Echo Park. Oh, I love that little cardinal. I love cardinals. They remind me of my grandma. And her birthday was on Christmas. Well, it's still her birthday, but she celebrates it in heaven now. But every time I see the cardinals, I think of my grandma. And this one says, "Let heaven and nature sing." That's so cute. I might have to turn this one into a Christmas ornament because it reminds me of my grandma. So cute. I like these. I love chipboard. And you know, you don't always get them anymore. So then I got the I Love Fall collection. I think I might actually have this collection, but I'm not upset because this collection has a lot of little critters in it. And so you get 12 sheets of paper. They're double-sided. All the ones that are up here And then you get a sticker sheet, the cut apart sheets. It's so cute. Like, I love the little squirrels. I love squirrels. So there's like chipmunks, raccoons, fox, so little squirrels. So cute. So that'll be fun. I'll save that for next fall, and I'll definitely use that. And then a summertime collection, which it is so cold where I am. It's like 7 degrees and so warm, or so windy. It's like out of control today. So summer seems so funny to look at right now for me. But this is a cute collection. I think I actually do have it because this looks familiar. But I'll put it in my stash, and I'm sure I'll use it for some summer projects. But again, you get all these papers up here. And I really do love some of these papers. I love all the fruity things. And then you get the sticker sheet and then these cut aparts. And I do keep this front page and kind of craft with it too. But so you can kind of see what would be in there, the colors. I do like the watermelons. And I'm pretty sure I have it because this truck looks super familiar to me. But that's so cute. I haven't thought about summertime in a little while, so who knows. Oh, and then it looks like I did get the Happy Place collection to go with the stickers, the puffy stickers, and the frames and tags. I do like these papers. They're pretty colors, and they're definitely something I would use. But I think the theme of it, it would just make sense to make like an album with it. I'm not sure what else I would do with it. So this is probably not items I would have picked up, but I'm sure I can make something with it. So that's cute. I really was hoping it would be all Christmas, but I think the Santa box was a little misleading, but it's okay. If you're looking for all Christmas, this is probably not the box for you. But then we get the Happy Holidays collection. So I did get, did I get Chipboard for that? Yes, I got the Happy Holidays Chipboard. And so I do like this. Let's open this one and look at the papers because I love like, kind of has, again, like that vintage vibe. So I do keep this because you can totally cut this down and use all this. It's fun. So this piece of paper is red with black squares, and then the adorable trees in blue, green, and teal. I love that. That's so cute. And then there's like pinks mixed in. That's pretty. This one looks vintagey to me with these stars and those colors. And then the fun cut aparts. And then this one is red with little black stars. And then this cute little Santa and holly berries on blue. Ooh, I love this one. So all these little postage stamps, you could totally fussy cut these out and use them as little ephemera pieces. And then this page looks like airmail with like the stamps on it. This is blue with little diamonds on it. And then these fun cut aparts. I love that. And then the old TV. It's so cute. Ooh, this might be my favorite. I love this green with the little red bows. And then we got some snowflakes. This looks like green with little snowballs on it. Those are cute stripes. Yeah, see, I totally love all these colors. The pinks and the teals with the red and the green and the blue. And then these cut aparts. I like this collection. I might go see if they have more stuff to go with this collection. And then the red and black plaid. And the cute little stockings. Look at, they have the little balls hanging off of them. So cute. And then snowflakes with light blue. Oh, those are cute. The little light bulbs, Christmas light bulbs, string lights. Some red and green and white stripes. Oh, so this would be really good for a December daily. It goes 1 to 31. So that would be great for a December daily. And then you have a Christmas in here and a New Year. And then Joy to the World. So there's other things in here besides the numbers. That's cool. And then green with black stars. Ooh, I like this one too. All the vintage ornaments with all these adorable little bows. I love that too. Well, I don't think this was that. Oh, and then the sticker sheet. Of course, we can't forget the sticker sheet. How fun is that? I really like this. So the Santa box is still up. It's not all Christmas, but it is a pretty good deal if you're trying to build a stash and you're okay. Sorry about that. You're okay with what you get. I really was hoping for a whole big box packed full of Christmas, but that's okay. So we did get 4 paper collections and then 2 6x6 paper pads, 2 big sticker books, 4 chipboard, let's see, 3 packs of brads, 2 packs of puffy stickers, and 3 packs of frames and tapes. That's a pretty good deal for $50. So how many pieces is that? Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So that's 20 pieces for $50. So that's just a couple dollars a piece for each one of these things, which is a pretty good deal. So if you're looking to build your stash, this is a great way to do it. If you're okay with not getting to pick what you want, I will link below Echo Park Mystery Box. Again, I purchased this myself. I'm not affiliated at all, but if you want to go look for this box and purchase one for yourself, I will link it below. Thank you so much, everybody, for stopping by. I hope you have a great day and you're having a wonderful holiday season. Bye.